Remove the battery from the controller and press the buttons to discharge. After inserting the battery, the red indicator light will turn on for 3 seconds. Press and hold buttons 1 and 2 until the LED starts flashing rapidly. Remove the battery from the controller, then press the buttons to discharge any remaining power. After reinserting the battery, watch for the red LED, which will start flashing rapidly. The controller is now in compatibility mode and ready to pair. Activate pairing mode by holding the prog button for 2 seconds. Select the function by pressing the button the appropriate number of times. Press the prog button to finish, and it can now be controlled using the set button.